In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link boards on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Linking boards can streamline your workflow and help you manage your projects more effectively. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your primary board. This is the board that will serve as your main workspace. It's where you'll be initiating the link. Navigate to this board, as it will serve as the starting point for our linking process. Once you're on your primary board, the next step is to add a new column. To do this, look for the plus sign or the plus symbol prominently displayed on the interface of your board. This button is typically located next to your existing columns. Clicking this will allow you to insert a new column into your workspace. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears after you click the plus sign, select the option that says Connect Boards. This feature is crucial as it creates a bridge between your current board and another one, enabling data exchange and collaboration between them. After selecting Connect Boards, it's time to choose the board you want to link to. Click on the option that says Select Boards. This action will open up a list of your available boards. Browse through this list and select the specific board you wish to integrate with your current workspace. This step is important because it defines which board's data you will be able to access from your main board. Once you've selected the desired board, it's time to finalize the connection. To do this, simply click Connect Boards again. This action cements the link between the two boards, allowing information to transfer seamlessly between them. It's a straightforward process, but it's a powerful feature that can enhance your productivity significantly. Now that your boards are linked, let's take it a step further. To fully utilize this newly created link, you should create a mirror column. This option allows you to view and interact with specific data from the linked board directly within your primary board. Look for the option to create a mirror column and select it. This feature enables you to see important elements like status updates, dates, or assigned personnel without needing to switch back and forth between boards. By integrating mirror columns, you essentially create a dynamic workspace where you can monitor key data side by side. This can save you a lot of time and keep your focus on the bigger picture, letting you manage your tasks more effectively. That's it. With these steps, you can successfully link boards on Monday.com and create a more efficient workflow. Just remember, it's all about creating connections that help streamline your project management process. So go ahead and give it a try. I'm sure you'll find it beneficial. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Monday.com and other productivity tools. Happy linking!